So you guys can see I've got a fully functional Xiaomi 13 Pro. Here display, speaker and cameras are all working. This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max with all new pill hole which Apple calls dynamic island, and it is fully functional as well. And then we have Samsung S22 Ultra, no issues whatsoever. So all these devices are IP68 certified, and let's see if they can survive an extreme water test or not. So starting things with water jet / shower test, and here we go. So you all can see Samsung's working fine, no issue whatsoever. Apple is working fine too, camera, speaker all are functional as of now and no issues whatsoever. And finally Xiaomi. Yeah, initially I thought Xiaomi is gonna die, but wow, it is working fine, camera, speaker all are functional. Now 10-minute continuous underwater test, and again fully functional devices. So and now checking these devices, Xiaomi is working fine, no issue whatsoever. SIM card tray is intact and a nice job done by Xiaomi overall. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is working fine, no damage whatsoever. Your camera, speaker are functional and SIM card tray is intact. Samsung is doing great too. I like how they show notification like there is water inside speaker and USB port, so dry it out before charging and all. So yeah, again all devices are working fine, no damage in display or cameras or speakers, so all are fully functional right now. Checking them again after 2.5 hours, and guys, no issue whatsoever. All devices are fully functional, no damage at all. This all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section.